Hello children. Today we are going to study a important chapter, that is learn yoga from animals. So yoga, you all know that in your PT period you used to do yoga, right? But now here with the help of the animals, so enacting their poses, so उनके पोज के जैसे योगा के एक एक आसन्स हैं. So this first page I'll explain you. Yes, and the next is the asanas, right? So for that I'll send you the link through which you can see how they perform these asanas. Okay, 2.5 learn yoga from animals. Since the year 2015, the world has been celebrating June 21st as International Yoga Day. So we all know that we celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st. As most of us will know, yoga is a culture of physical, mental and spiritual discipline perfected in ancient India. So in India, that is in ancient India, जुने ज़माने से लोग योगा कर रहे हैं. So we get peace of mind, our physical health is better because of yoga, mental health is strong, spiritually we are inclined. Yoga as an ancient Indian discipline is a composite practice, combined practice involving the complete mind, body, soul complex, that is a human being. So it involves everything. It is a combination, yes, and it takes care of our mind, of our body. Here, let us focus on yoga as an integral system of physical exercise that help us to attain concentration, focus, and also improve flexibility, balance, and strength. So you all know, if we do yoga, we can be flexible, we can have good balance, and we can also be strong. From an ancient Indian discipline, let us move to a very contemporary area of research, that is new area, present area. Experts today are doing a wonderful job of drawing us into the world of biomimicry. Now you all must be thinking, what is biomimicry? In simple terms, bio means life and mimicry is to emulate, imitate, act. Basically, biomimicry is the science of solving human problems with solutions already present in the natural world. Yes, so we can solve human problems with the solutions which are already present in the nature. From this point of view, yoga is also a form of biomimicry where in typical asanas or poses, we emulate, we act as mountain, trees, fish, cats and so many more animals. This helps solve our problems brought on day-to-day living such as stiffness and back pain, and also allows us to feel physically vibrant and mentally sharp. So if we perform these asanas, right? If we perform these asanas, we can be fit and we will not face our day-to-day problems like backache or stiffness will not be, and we will be very much vibrant, healthy, fit. Before we proceed further, here are a few basic precautions regarding yoga practice. So whenever you are doing yoga, you must keep in mind the following things. First, if you are a beginner, you should start practicing yoga either in the presence of a yoga teacher or join yoga class so that you learn the basics and the do's and the don'ts of yoga. So if you are a beginner, first time yoga कर रहे हैं, तो डायरेक्टली आप नहीं करना चाहिए. एक तो आप योगा टीचर के सामने करना चाहिए या फिर योगा क्लास जाना चाहिए ताकि आपको समझेगा कि क्या कर सकते हैं योगा में और क्या नहीं कर सकते. Asanas should be practiced in a clean, airy and well-lit room. The floor should be level. So asanas should be practiced in a clean, airy, ventilated room. Well-lit room, मतलब it should be properly lit, light रहना चाहिए. द फ्लोर शुड बी लेवल, इक्वल रहना चाहिए ज़मीन. इट इज़ एडवाइजेबल टू यूज़ अ योगा मैट, योगा मैट भी चाहिए. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू प्रैक्टिस इंडोर्स, यू मे प्रैक्टिस ऑन लेवल ग्राउंड आउटडोर्स. अगर घर पे प्रैक्टिस करने नहीं हो रहा है तो आप बाहर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे ज़मीन एकदम लेवल पे है. द बेस्ट टाइम टू प्रैक्टिस इज़ इन द मॉर्निंग बिफोर ब्रेकफास्ट और इन द इवनिंग बिफोर डिनर. तो व्हेन इज़ द करेक्ट टाइम टू प्रैक्टिस योगा? करेक्ट, बिफोर ब्रेकफास्ट और बिफोर डिनर. Some of the poses described below must be learned from an instructor before you attempt to practice them on your own. जो अभी आगे के poses हैं, जो एनिमल्स के जैसे करने वाले हम लोग एक्ट करने वाले हैं, तो वो सब पहले सीखना है किसी इंस्ट्रक्टर के पास एंड देन ही ट्राई करना है. क्लियर? सी. तो फर्स्ट इज भुजंगासन. This like a cobra, fish, snake. Head is raised up. If we do this asan, it will strengthen our back and spine. It also benefits the chest and shoulders. Yes, तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने बताया है कैसे क्या करना है. Then सिंहासन. नील डाउन करके टंग को बाहर निकालना है. I'll send you each and every pose link which is verified and done by a very good yoga master. Yes, children. And if you want to practice, don't forget to practice in front of your parents. Take your parents' help. Under their supervision only you have to do. If you are in the class, then we would have done in the classroom itself, or the PT teacher must have taken you to the terrace and she must have taught you. But because of this pandemic, we are forced कि हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते. हम लोग आपको वीडियो भेजेंगे एक एक पोज का. करेक्ट चिल्ड्रेन? से देन मर्जया आसना, like a cat pose. Simhasan was a lion pose. Bhujangasan, cobra. Then Garudaasan. Garud is eagle. Last is Ustra Asan. That is camel pose. Yes, children. So you should take care when you are performing yoga. So this first page, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Yes, children. Okay. Bye.